Sometimes we don't know why we wake up sad. Other times we know exactly why. I wrote this yoga sequence when I was feeling sad myself. This short class is filled with postures that are close to the earth, protective and nurturing. If you have a cozy blanket or beanbag, grab those for Shavasana. Bonus if you have some cute pets roaming nearby. Come down to your back and pull your knees into your chest, rocking gently from side to side. Continuing to hold your knees, let them fall away from your body and guide them in clockwise circles. Now, switch directions, rotating counterclockwise. Holding just your right knee in, stretch the left leg out long. Open that right knee out to the right side of your body, breathing. Then cross it all the way across your body, coming into a deep twist. Switching legs now, hold your left knee into your body. Open it out to the left side, breathing. Then on your exhale, cross it to the other side of your body. Widen your legs to the width of your mat, feet flat on the ground. Drop your knees together to one side and then the other. Easy movement. Next, reach your arms and legs out long into full body stretch. Plant your feet flat on the ground and let your knees fall in together and rest in the center. At the same time, wrap your arms across your chest in a hug. Now, rest your hands on your belly and then rock your head from side to side, one ear rolling toward your mat and then the other. Bring your hands to your head, giving yourself a gentle head and face massage. Carefully roll to one side and press yourself up to a kneeling position. Start by rounding your back, pressing your hands into your knees, and then arch your back, coming forward. Move dynamically with your breath, rounding as you inhale and arching as you exhale. Plant one hand on the ground beside you, opposite hand reaching up in an arc above your head. Then repeat on the other side. We'll do C stretches 2 more times on either side. Make your way onto your belly, resting your forehead on your stacked hands for a few moments. Preparing for bow pose. Bend your right knee and catch the top of your right foot with your right hand. Press into your hand with your foot until you feel a stretch. Then transition to the other side. Catch the top of your left foot with your left hand. pressing up into your hand. And prepare for full bow, now holding both feet, lifting your body up. Breathe. And then preparing to release and come back down. Moving into half frog pose, bend your right leg up alongside your body. Feeling a stretch and an opening in your hip. Now straighten that leg back out long. Moving to the other side. Now bend your left knee, bringing it up alongside your body. Feeling a stretch on the other side. And straightening your leg back out. Press back into child's pose. Knees wide, resting your stomach on the ground and your hands behind you by your feet. From here, we'll move into an inversion. Lifting your seat, press gently up onto the crown of your head. Keep your arms long, hands interlaced, stretched out behind you. Coming back up to your knees, we'll prepare for legs up the wall. So if you have a wall nearby, scoot as close to the wall as you can. Lie down and stretch your legs up long against the support of the wall. You can release any effort in this position. And if you don't have a wall nearby, simply stretch your legs up long into the air from your mat. And returning back carefully to the ground, we'll prepare for Shavasana, final resting pose. So get comfortable. If you have a blanket or a beanbag, you can grab those. Spreading the blanket along your body. And resting the beanbag on your forehead. Your hands can be palms down along your sides or resting on your belly. Now is a time to rest. No need to analyze, no need to question. Just be here in your body with your feelings, noticing the sensations as they are, not trying to fix them, just sending a gentle awareness to each part. We'll start a yoganidra meditation, which is a mental scan of the body. Start by noticing the soles of your feet. Let your feet flop open. Bring your awareness to your heels, running up your arches to your toes, big toes, second toes, third toes, fourth toes, little toes. Glide your attention along the tops of each foot and up toward the ankles. Gently float up the shins, the calves. Release any effort, any holding in your lower legs. Circle your attention around your knees. Move up to those upper thigh muscles, relaxing them, feeling your bones heavy and supported by the earth. Move up to your seat and your pelvis. Send your gentle, soothing awareness through this area to your lower belly, your ribs, lower back, upper back, shoulders, down your upper arms, forearms, wrists, and hands. The palms of your hands. Right thumb, left little finger, right index finger, left ring finger, both middle fingers, right ring finger, left index finger, right little finger, left thumb. Let your awareness rise up to your neck. Pass it along your neck, your jaw. Soften your jaw. Separate your teeth and let your tongue lie loose. Release all tension from your eyes. Feel them heavy in their sockets. Notice the air passing softly through your nostrils. Your forehead is smooth and untroubled. Relax your ears and send that wave of awareness down your scalp, your skull. Gather all that awareness and energy at that point on the crown of your head. Feel your awareness settle at the top of your head and feel your whole body relaxed, completely at ease. Your whole body. Let your next breath fill your whole body. Breathe deeply and begin to move your limbs, your fingers and toes, ankles and wrists. Carefully roll over onto one side and rest. And when you're ready, press yourself up into a seated pose. Thank you for taking some time for yourself today. May you feel comfort and be well. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like and the subscribe buttons, and I hope to see you again. Namaste.